patients awake. They're a part of the experience, and being able to communicate with the patient while you're doing their procedure is definitely a different environment that you have to get used to as a surgeon.
It was a little bit of anxiety, obviously, going into a surgery when you're not sleeping, but
it really comforted me that I was able to talk to the physician. This is what I'm looking at. This is why you're in pain.
He came in and saw me and said, "Can you feel your arm?" I said, "I feel it starting to get tingly." And at that point, I was ready to go into surgery.
It's been amazing just going from a patient who's fully asleep, still not really understanding what they had done and during the procedure, even after you go over it with pictures, to a patient who's fully awake.
To get that confirmation and not wake up later and, oh, we didn't find anything. It was really nice to not have to go to sleep.
I was asking him questions and he would answer them. I mean, it was just a back and forth constant. It was wonderful.
Awareness is key, and as patients have become more aware of it, patients want to get back to doing life faster. They want to have less pain during a procedure. They want to have less anesthesia. They want to have less chance of complications.
It was amazing. Very quick, very painless, and really just not stressful.
What'd you think? I had to get a seat filling a couple weeks ago, and this is way more comfortable than getting my filling.
Said he's done, and they said we're getting ready to take him to recovery, and I was like, I'm ready to go home. Being able to resume normal activities without any discomfort or pain was huge, because I just really wanted to be able to play sports with my kids.
Every positive patient experience I had kept pushing me to want to do more. Where can we take this technology? What are the boundaries that we can push to do things less invasive, with less anesthesia, with quicker return to function, with less opioids? That patient experience truly has been the biggest driver for me of changing the way I do things towards this nanotechnology.